అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము హార్ట్ బీట్ ఎక్కడ ఫీల్ వచ్చారంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, వీ కెన్ ఫీల్ ద సౌండ్ లైక్ డబ్ డబ్, ఓపెన్ అండ్ క్లోజ్. ఓకే, cardiac. What happens in the case of connective tissue? These connective tissues are contact and having a various body organs. These tissues will connect the bones to each other, like muscle to the bones and blind tissues, and which gives the support to the various body parts of an animal or a human by creating a packing around the organs. Here, what are the types of connective tissues? There are some of the tissues like areolar, dense regular connective tissues, adipose tissues, skeletal tissues, fluid connective tissues. Here these areolar connective tissues are nothing but in the name itself here are areolar. Here the tissues which lose the cellular connectivity tissues. These consist of two kinds of fibers, white collagen fibers and yellow elastic fibers. What do you mean by white collagen fibers? White collagen fibers are nothing but which changes the gelatin on boiling in water. What do you mean by yellow elastic fibers? These are the simple and most widely disturbed connective tissues. It helps to join the skin to the muscles, fills space inside the organs. They are also found around the muscles and blood vessels and nerves. ఇవి కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట స్కిన్కి మజిల్స్కి కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. ఈ స్పేసెస్ని ఫిల్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట ఆర్గాన్స్ లోపల. Okay, dense. What do you mean by dense regular connective tissue? It is a fibrous connective tissue. It is nothing but the fibrous connective tissue which is characterized by ordered and densely packed collection of some fibers and cells. Here the dense or regular connective tissue is a principal component of tendons and ligaments. What do you mean by tendons? This looks like a cord and they are very strong and elastic structures which joins the muscles and the bones. What do you mean by ligaments? Ligaments are nothing but these are also the elastic structures. Tendons are inelastic structure and ligaments are elastic structure which helps to connect the bones to bones. Here the tendons are nothing but which connects the skeletal muscles to bone. Here ligaments are nothing but which connects to the bone to bone. Here what do you mean by aponeurosis? Here is nothing but these looks like a broad sheet and they are dense fibrous substances, collagenous connective tissues which covers and inverse which is in the form of terminations and also attachments of various muscles. This is how the fibrous connective tissue looks like. This is the spongy bone. These are the blood vessels which are attached to this tissue. Okay, this is how the adipose tissue looks like. This is basically the aggregation of a fat cells. Okay, this adipose tissue is abundant which is below the skin. So between the internal organs some of the organs like kidneys, it is present around the kidneys. This looks like a yellow color, yellow bone marrow. It serves as a fat reservoir and helps to vascular organs in the position. It forms the shock absorption cushions around the kidneys and eyeballs. It also acts as an insulator, that is it regulates the body temperature. This adipose tissue is present underneath the skin కింద ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇది ఎల్లో బోన్ మ్యారో కలర్లో ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇది మనల్ని హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. ఏదైనా షాక్స్ కానీ ఏమన్నా మనం సడన్గా ఫీల్ అయినా కానీ యానిమల్ టిష్యూస్ కూడా సేమ్గా హ్యూమన్ టిష్యూస్గా ఉంటాయి. కాకపోతే వాటి ఫంక్షన్ అనేది కొంచెం డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ప్రాపర్టీస్ కానీ అన్నీ మోస్ట్లీ సిమిలర్గానే ఉంటాయి అనమాట. వీ కెన్ ఆల్సో కన్సిడర్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్స్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, ఫర్ సమ్ బెటర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. Okay, how the skeletal tissues? What do you mean by skeletal tissues? These skeletal tissues will help to support the tissues. This consists of cartilage and bones which are in the form of endoskeleton of a vertebrate body. Here what do you mean by cartilage? Cartilage is nothing but the specialized connective tissue which is compact and less vascular. It is located in the, where do you find this cartilage tissue? It is found in the ear pin, nose tip, epilongate, intervertebral disc and also the ends of the long bones, lower ends of the ribs and also the rings of trachea. Means where it is present on the inside the neck. Okay, it provides the support and flexibility to the body parts. It smoothens the surface of joints. Here what happens in the case of bones? Here the bone is very strong and is non-flexible. We cannot move or adjust this bone. We can adjust only in the case of any fracture issues. Like the cartilage bone is a specialized connective tissue. It is having a pores and highly vascular mineralized hard and rigid substances. Its matrix is made up of proteins, as how our blood consists of some cells. Okay, this matrix also made up of proteins. Bone from the skeleton in the human beings and other vertebrates except the sharks provides the shape and the skeletal support to the body. These bones helps to give the support for the body, and it also protects from the various organs such as brain, lungs, etc. Here they had given the difference between the cartilage and bone. Here what happens in the case of cartilage? It looks like a soft, elastic and flexible. How the bone looks like? It is very tough, rigid and elastic. Okay, what happens in the case of cartilage? It does not have any depositions of calcium and phosphorus, but bones contains calcium and phosphorus. Here in the cartilage, it lacks the Haverian canal. Here in the bone, it has large number of Haverian canal because the cartilage and the bone are reverse process. Here its matrix lacks blood vessels. Here in the case of bone, what happens? It consists of network of blood vessels. Here what are the function of bones? Here they had given different types of bones. See, these are neutrophils, the eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, platelets, erythrocytes. Actually, these blood cells are divided into three types. If you know, they are divided into red blood cells, white blood cells and blood corpuscles. Red blood cells is nothing but the cells which are helps to, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజురీ, అంటే ఏదైనా ఇంజురీ జరిగిందనుకో బ్లడ్ బయటికి రావడానికి చేసేది రెడ్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ అనమాట. దాన్ని స్టాప్ చేసి ఒక వైట్ కలర్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ లాగా ఫామ్ చేసేది ల్యూకోసైట్స్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద వైట్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్. This helps to repairing of the food and it also helps to protect from the external germs నుంచి కూడా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. What happens in the case of blood corpuscles or the blood platelets? Here see, as I mentioned, red blood corpuscles, white blood cells or leukocytes and platelets. Here now, before knowing this, let us learn what are the main functions of a bone. Here it gives a support, means it provides to attach both the muscles and the tissues. How it gives a protection? It protects the internal organs from the injury. What happens in the case of movement? It enables the body movements by activating the levers. What happens in the case of mineral storage? It helps as a reservoir for both calcium Ca and phosphorus P. And calcium and phosphorus are essential for the various cellular activities throughout the body, as these are the main two elements which are responsible for the cellular activities in the body. What happens in the case of blood cell production? Here the production of blood cell occurs in the red bone marrow of a long bones. Okay, what do you mean by fluid connective tissues? Fluid connective tissues are nothing but the different parts of a body which helps to maintain the body, and these includes the blood and the lymph. As how the bones consist of calcium and phosphorus, these also consist of blood and lymph. This fluid connective tissue consists of blood and lymph. Blood it is the fluid connective tissue. In this tissue the fluid or the liquid matrix or a medium called blood plasma is present. Here the blood plasma does not contain any protein fiber, but it contains the blood corpuscles or blood cells. Okay, these blood corpuscles are divided into three types: red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles and blood platelets. This is called blood platelets. You can add blood to this. Red blood corpuscles are also called as erythrocytes. White blood cells are also called as leukocytes. Here they had given one flow chart. The blood consists of plasma and the elements of blood. The bloods are divided into three types: RBCs, WBCs and blood platelets. RBC is nothing but red blood cells. WBC is nothing but white blood cells. For other name of red blood cells is erythrocytes. Another name for white blood cells is leukocytes. These white blood cells are again divided into two types: granulocytes and agranulocytes. These granulocytes are divided into eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. And also this is also divided into monocytes and lymphocytes. Okay, here what happens for erythrocytes? These cells are from the major portion of the blood. Here the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide from the different organs of body to the lungs will be taken in the place of RBCs. RBCs అంటే రెడ్ బ్లడ్ సెల్స్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ అండ్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది బ్లడ్ నుంచి లంగ్స్ నుంచి బ్లడ్కి ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇవి బోన్ మ్యారో ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట ఈ ఆర్బీసీ సెల్స్ అనేవి. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ ల్యూకోసైట్స్? దీస్ సెల్స్ ప్రొటెక్ట్స్ అవర్ బాడీ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫారెన్ బాడీస్. మీన్స్ ఎనీ బాడీస్ అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనకి ఫీవర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కానీ ఏదైనా డిసీజ్ అటాక్ అయినప్పుడు కానీ ల్యూకోసైట్స్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి అనమాట. థర్మోవైట్స్ ఆర్ బ్లడ్ ప్లేట్లెట్స్. ద అదర్ నేమ్ ఫర్ బ్లడ్ ప్లేట్లెట్స్ ఆర్ థ్రోంబోసైట్స్. దీస్ సెల్స్ హెల్ప్స్ టు ప్రైమరీ ఎయిడ్ ఇన్ ద బ్లడ్ క్లాటింగ్. అంటే మనకి ఏదైనా దెబ్బ తగిలినప్పుడు వెంటనే బ్లడ్ క్లాట్ అవుతే మనకి బ్లడ్ ప్లేట్లెట్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కువ ఉన్నట్టు. అదే కనుక మనకి స్టాపేజ్ అనేది తగ్గిపోయింది అనుకో ఏమైపోయింది, బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి బ్లడ్ ప్లేట్లెట్స్ నెసరీ అనమాట. వాట్ డూ యూ మీన్ బై లింఫ్? లింఫ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ కలర్లెస్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ విచ్ ఫిల్టర్డ్ అవుట్ ద బ్లడ్ క్యాపిలరీస్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అ blood. Its composition is similar to that of the blood except the red blood corpuscles, and some blood proteins are also absent in the case of lymph. Here this lymph looks like a white blood cells and are found in abundance. It is in the large quantity. What happens in the case of nerve tissues? Here the nerve tissues which is specialized to transmit the messages from within our body. For example మనకి మనము రోడ్లో వెళ్తున్నాము, లేకపోతే గుడి దగ్గరికి వెళ్తున్నాము, లేకపోతే ఎక్కడైనా చెప్పులు లేకుండా నడుస్తున్నాము, లేకపోతే ఇంట్లోనే నడుస్తున్నాము, మనకి ఏదైనా ఒక గ్లాస్ పీస్ అనేది తగిలింది అనుకో అప్పుడు ఏమైపోయింది, లెగ్లో ఉన్న టిష్యూస్ కానీ సెల్స్ కానీ మెసేజ్ పాస్ చేస్తాయి. ఎవరికి పాస్ చేస్తాయి? బ్రెయిన్కి పాస్ చేస్తాయి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, సడన్గా లిఫ్ట్ చేయడం కానీ కళ్ళమ్మ నీళ్ళు రావడం కానీ ఏదో జరుగుతాయి. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? మెసేజ్ పాస్ చేయడం అంటారు. Brain, spinal cord and nerves also composed of nerve tissues. As I said, it is a combination of brain, spinal cord and nerves. These nerve tissues contains highly specialized unit cells called nerve cells or neurons. This is how the neuron structure looks like. This is an important diagram. Everyone should practice this diagram. Okay, I will be checking in the interaction section. These neurons have the ability to receive the stimuli from within or outside the body to conduct the impulses to the different parts of the body. Here the impulse travels from the one neuron to the another neuron. A neuron is elongated cell. How does a neuron looks like and what is the structure and what is the function? We'll be knowing this para. Okay, this is having cytons and dendrons. Here the cell body or the cyton is a central part of the cell and it contains one nucleus. The central part extends from its sides is a thread-like structures. Okay, and having a thread-like branches called dendroids. A group is called dendrons and a single thread-like structure is known as dendrite. Here the dendrits further divided into dendrites. Here the one branch is longer than the other. The branches is known as axons. These axons are bundled together which forms a nerve which are connected to the brain and the spinal cord. The message is అంటే ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తుంది, మెసేజ్ అనేది పాస్ అవుతుంది. మనం సెల్స్ ఏదైతే సెల్స్ ఉందో అక్కడ నుంచి స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ టు ద బ్రెయిన్ సిగ్నల్ అనేది పాస్ చేస్తుంది. వీ షుడ్ రిమూవ్ దట్. ఆ గ్లాస్ పీస్ని రిమూవ్ చేయాలని కానీ లేకపోతే ఏదైనా ముళ్ళు తగిలినా కానీ రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి కానీ ఇది హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. నర్వ్స్ టిష్యూస్ అనేవి సిగ్నల్స్ని పాస్ చేస్తుంది. See, this is the nucleus in the neuron. This is the cell body which is present around the nucleus. These are the dendrites. A group is known as dendrons. This is the axion. This is the spinal cord consists of axion. Okay, I think we had learned all the tissues which are present in animal tissues, and we also learned what are the tissues that are present in plant tissues. Okay, I think this is clear for you all. If you had any doubts you can ask me in the interaction session. Okay, in the next class we will be looking our second chapter. Thank you.